Yes, yo. What's happening, my people? What's happening, everybody? Big shout out to everybody that has been tuned in and been subscribing and showing the boy love. Yes, my name is OSSY BLEU, and you guys are welcome back to my channel as always. I'm always extra happy to have you guys here. And you know how it is now. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, you're actually missing out on a whole lot of content right here. So take this time out to click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified on each and every upload and every video that I make. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight to today's video. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys tips on 7 ways with which you can make money using your vehicle or your car, depending on the size of the car that you drive. So stick around and let's get straight to it. Yeah, so the first way with which you can use your car to make some cool cash is child pickup service. Yes, so in this world today where we have parents that are busy and no time for their children, maybe to pick up their kids or drop their children or their wards wherever they at some designated locations, like it could be school, it could be some rehearsal, it could be an event. So you could actually offer your service to those kind of busy parents that don't have that time to pick up their children from wherever it is and get paid for it, because it is something that is going to be very lucrative, especially if your car is a very comfortable one, you know, where the kids can actually feel at home and is spacious and very comfortable for them. You know, it is one way with which you can use your car in making money. Yes, so but in this case now, disclaimer to any parent or guardian who might be requiring this service, you need someone that is trusted actually to carry out this service for you because of security reasons and safety reasons. That is the first way to make money using your car, by doing child pickups too. Equipment transportation services. Yeah, so people travel far and near, and you know, to buy products and to buy goods, and transportation is always needed each time they make this kind of business travels or business trips. So you can offer your car or your van for this service as a means of transportation to specific locations and get paid for it. Actually, people you should be looking out for are your clients should be between traders and businessmen, or even companies as well. So if you have like a U-Haul van or a regular bus with which you can use, this will be a very lucrative business and a very good way for you to make some cash off your vehicle or your car. Number 3, moving services. Yes, most people acquire a lot of properties and will actually need a lot of help with moving their properties from one place to another. Properties like furniture, for instance, from one space to another. This is a very cool way to make money off your vehicle, especially if your car or your vehicle is one that has a whole lot of space in it. It's going to be something that will be very lucrative for you, because each and every day somewhere somebody is moving his things, his belongings to a new place. Either the person just got a new house, or just got a new apartment, or just bought something, like something big like refrigerators, you know, chairs and all that big stuff that you have to move from point A to point B. So if you have a van or a truck, you can put it to good use and make some cool cash out of your vehicle. Number 4, car rental services. Yeah, you could offer your car for a day or two, depending on your agreement with who wants to rent your car. You know, some people actually want to rent cars for events like birthdays, like weddings, you know. So you could actually offer your cars or your car to whoever it is that wants it, and you could get paid for it. You know, you could decide that you want to give it for 1 day, you could decide to give it for 2 days or a week, or just depending on how you deem it suitable for you and how much you're going to earn from it. And of course, you can visit apps like Avis, where they rent cars also. So, and put your car there, people will definitely want to reach out to you to rent your car for one of all those events. So that is another way of making some cool cash out of your car, especially if you don't drive your car on a regular basis. This is a very good avenue to make some money from your car. Number 5, airport shuttle services. Yeah, people travel every day. People are always visiting the country each and every passing day. So if you have a large vehicle that could contain a lot of belongings, luggages, and if there are more than 1 or 2 people, you might need a larger car to convey everybody. Maybe people that are visitors that want to get a hotel to stay, or probably just need some means of transportation to where they will be residing during their visits to the country. So you can also opt for this option to use your vehicle or your car for airport shuttle services, and it pays very, very well. Trust me. Number 6, mobile advertisement. Yeah, at some point or the other, you probably would have seen cars with people inside that have speakers advertising products, or and even on the cars you see some signages and some stickers. Yes, those cars are actually personal cars that people put to use to advertise products. So if you have a car that you are probably not driving and you are thinking of maybe selling it, you could actually, instead of selling, you could just put it in for advertisements, and you get a lot of money from it also, because most of these companies or these businesses need cars to always be mobile for them, where they used to travel from one place to another, always advertising and talking about the product. So this is a very, very good avenue and a very good way to make good use of any vehicle that you are not using at the moment. So it's just for you to get maybe signage of the company or of the brand that you're trying to advertise, and you don't necessarily have to be the person that drives the car. It's just for you to give it out for them to use it, so they pay you as they use it, as they go for your services. Number 7, but not the least, courier service. Yes, this courier service is quite popular, and this one you don't even need a car to do it. A lot of people use motorcycles to do it, offer delivery, to deliver packages, meals, and whatnot, food, and anything you can possibly need, maybe just from one point to another. So if you have any means, or like a car or a motorcycle, people prefer motorcycles because of traffic, but you could also use your car to do it, because if you have to transport something that is big, you know, you need a car, especially if you're going like interstate or something. You know, you need a proper car or a van to convey these materials from one point A to point B. So yes, with that being said, I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. So if you were thinking of selling your car, or just you don't know what to use your car as the one parking in your garage for, here are a few tips. I hope it has been very helpful to you guys. Feel free to share this video as well to anybody who you might think, or who you think will find this video helpful as well. Yeah, so from this side is all love. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you found value in this video. So I remain yours truly, OSSY BLEU, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.